So hello dear lovely friends. Today I have came here at this moment, and in this moment I would like to say something about this location. And I have came here a new location I visited at this moment, and this is the field, actually Aram field. It's called Aram field, and so many beautiful this field. And another side, it's my village. And so many type of crops in our local area. Actually I live at village area, so that's why in our maximum people many type of crops like paddy, and it's the aram. And it's a vegetable, I think it's a vegetable. So in our local area, so many population uneducated person, that's why so many population and cultivation and